Want big, voluptuous lips but don't want lip injections. This is a tip I learned while working in the modeling industry for like 6 years.
This is a preview of the end result.
Saw another woman on TikTok sharing the same thing. When you use lip liner, it's made out of wax, and so it can leave a residue that when it hits certain light, you can tell it's a lip liner. Which, you know, sometimes we do want to do that depending on the look, but if you're wanting something that's really natural and like makes it look like you've got lip injections, but not lip injections, this is the way to do it. Lip stains. So what you want is you want to get a shade darker than your natural color. And you're just going to outline right beneath your actual lip. I really shouldn't do this while talking. So look at the difference between this side and this side. Super natural looking. We are on a budget because we don't know where the world is going financially, so you don't have to buy an expensive lip stain. This lip stain was like $7. It's linked to my Amazon and it works amazing. And then you're gonna grab a pink color or whatever color you want, and you're just gonna fill it in. I don't know about you guys, but I am on a minimalist trend right now. Okay, gotta clean up those edges. And then the last step is grab some lip gloss, whatever color you like. I like to add an extra color to it, so this has got a nice peach. And smear that on. My lips look way bigger. $7 on Amazon versus $1,000 for injections. Your choice.